Did you know there are gadgets so small and clever that they quietly change how your whole day feels? Things you don't realize you need until you see them once. Hey, I'm Miraz, and you're watching Miraz Tech. If you love discovering smart, fun, and slightly mind-blowing gadgets, you're in the right place. Make sure you're subscribed because today we're diving into a lineup of gadgets that turn everyday moments into something a little more exciting. Let me start with something that feels almost magical the first time you see it. Imagine pulling a device out of your pocket and suddenly turning a blank wall into a movie screen. That's exactly what the Magnasonic Pocket Projector does. This tiny projector is built for people who love entertainment on the go. Movie night at a friend's place, a quick presentation at school, or even watching videos while traveling suddenly becomes possible anywhere. It's small enough to carry without thinking, but powerful enough to project surprisingly clear visuals. The beauty of it is freedom. You're no longer tied to a TV or monitor. You just need a flat surface and a little curiosity. It feels like carrying a cinema in your bag, ready whenever boredom strikes. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever wished you could capture moments without holding a phone or a bulky camera? That's where the Keychain Camera comes in. At first glance, it looks like a normal keychain, something you'd never think twice about. But hidden inside is a tiny camera that lets you record quick clips or snap photos on the fly. It's perfect for casual moments, unexpected memories, or just documenting life without pulling out your phone every time. Because it's always with your keys, it's always with you. There's something kind of freeing about that. No setup, no big gear, just point and capture the moment as it happens. Let's shift gears and talk about something fun and decorative, but still surprisingly clever. The Artcreatity traffic light lamp instantly grabs attention. It looks like a miniature traffic signal, glowing red, yellow, and green in a way that feels playful and nostalgic. But this isn't just a lamp, it's a mood setter. You can use it as a desk light, a night lamp, or even a quirky room accessory that sparks conversation. It's perfect for gaming setups, creative spaces, or anyone who loves unique decor. Every time it lights up, it feels like a tiny piece of the city brought into your room, minus the noise and chaos. If you've ever struggled with holding a tablet or phone at the perfect angle, this next gadget will feel like a lifesaver. The Foldable Tablet Arm is designed to adapt to you. Whether you're watching videos, reading, drawing, or video calling, this arm holds your device exactly where you want it. You can adjust the height, tilt, and angle, then fold it away when you're done. It's especially useful for long sessions when holding a tablet just gets uncomfortable. Once you use it, you realize how much effort it saves. Your hands relax, your posture improves, and suddenly everything feels more effortless. Now, here's a gadget that looks intense and futuristic. The Beast Lighter stands out immediately with its bold design. This is one of those gadgets that feels more like a statement piece than a simple tool. It's designed with durability and a strong visual style in mind, making it something people notice right away. What makes it interesting is how it combines a rugged look with modern technology. It's clearly built for responsible adult use, focusing on reliability and design rather than gimmicks. Even if you're just seeing it for the first time, you can tell it's meant to feel powerful and premium. Let's talk about sound, because great audio can completely change your day. The 3 Peaches earbuds are all about comfort, style, and everyday listening. They're designed to fit easily and feel light, making them great for long listening sessions. Whether you're studying, traveling, or just relaxing, these earbuds blend into your routine without getting in the way. The sound is balanced, clear, and enjoyable for music, videos, and calls. What really stands out is how simple they are to use. No complicated setup, just connect and enjoy. Sometimes the best gadgets are the ones that don't demand attention, they just quietly do their job well. Time itself gets a futuristic twist with the electronic Hourglass. Instead of sand slowly falling from top to bottom, this gadget uses digital light to recreate the idea of passing time. It's calming, hypnotic, and strangely satisfying to watch. You can use it as a desk accessory, a focus timer, or just a decorative piece that adds atmosphere to your space. Watching time flow in a new way makes you more aware of it, but without stress. It's a gentle reminder that time is moving, and that can be motivating rather than overwhelming. Now, here's something small, practical, and incredibly useful. The Feppo Mini Bag Sealer is one of those gadgets you don't realize you need until you have it. Open snack bags that go stale? Not anymore. This tiny device seals plastic bags in seconds, helping keep food fresh longer. It's perfect for chips, snacks, and small food items. Because it's compact, you can store it easily or even take it with you. It saves food, reduces waste, and just makes life a little more organized. Simple idea, big everyday impact. If you're into gaming or just love powerful sound in a compact form, the Edifier G200 is worth talking about. This small speaker packs an impressive punch. It's designed with gamers and entertainment lovers in mind, offering immersive sound without taking up much space. Whether it's for games, movies, or music, the audio feels rich and engaging. The design also looks modern and stylish, fitting perfectly on a desk or shelf. It's the kind of speaker that proves you don't need something huge to get great sound. Finally, let's end with something that brings everything together on your desk. The Shieild Pause tablet stand is all about stability and convenience. It's built to securely hold tablets and devices in place, making it ideal for watching videos, reading, or even using your device as a display. The stand feels sturdy and well-balanced, giving you confidence that your device is safe. It's especially useful for workspaces, counters, or study areas where you want hands-free viewing. Once you set it up, it becomes one of those things you use every single day without thinking about it. And just like that, we'd explored a whole world of clever gadgets designed to make life more fun, more comfortable, and more interesting. So now I want to know, which gadget amazed you the most? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay curious. I'll see you in the next one.